Line drive, base hit to right field, just inside the line. Scrambling to third is Diaz on his way to second. Here's the throw, not in time. It gets away, and there comes the runner to the plate. The throw to the plate. They get him. Oh my! What a scramble! And Diaz gambles. He had third with no one out. Thought he could score, and Rosales with a strike to Norris for the out.
Well, at first, when this ball is dumped down in the right field, you're thinking, oh no, here we go. But my goodness, you talk about throwing to the right spot on the side of the base. Matt Kemp, the second. Okay, now gets away. Watch Rosales. He was like a little kid in Little League after he made this throw for the out at the plate. He gave him Helene. Derek Norris catches the ball. He tags him on the front shoulder for the out. Hey, at first it looked ugly. The end result, great for San Diego.
That ball, somebody had to stick a fork in it there for a while.
Yep.
Actually, Weeks deflected the ball. He gets an assist on that. It goes 9-4-5-2 on the out.